Hello, in this presentation we will be taking a look at the LearnSmart within Connect. So once again we are within Connect at this moment, which is a McGraw Hill product. If you have any questions on how to get to this area, then take a look at a video within the Moodle Rooms which will navigate you to this section. Once you are here, you will see the weeks broken out on the left hand side, you'll see the ebook on the right hand side, and you'll see LearnSmart below the ebook. Ebook and LearnSmart have similar features in that they both navigate through the text in similar ways. They are distinct in some ways as well. The ebook will just navigate through and you can read through the text, you can highlight the text. The LearnSmart will have some functionality in trying to point you to certain areas and it'll be related to particular assignments. A couple ways you can get into the LearnSmart. You can select the LearnSmart there, or you can get into it by week. We're going to assign some LearnSmart activities in each week. For example, if you were to select the drop down for week 1, within week 1, the ones that say LS will be the LearnSmart type of activities as opposed to the notebooks, which will be a different type of activity. So if we select the LearnSmart activity, it will then open up this LearnSmart window. Note that we are in a distinct window here. It's going to open it up in a distinct window. We'll need an internet connection in order to do so. When it does open up, it may open up to different tabs. So in this case it opened up to the reading section because that's the last section we were in, or I was in. If you select this hamburger up top, if it looks like that and you select it this way, it may open up to any of these sections here. So the actual work that we're going to do will be in the practice area. This is the work that we will need to complete within the LearnSmarts. If you go to the assignment section up here, it may open to the assignment section. Then you'll see the assignments that we need to do listed in this case. We'll see the progress that we have done so far. Apparently I'm behind here. And then we can go to the preview section. So if we take a look at the preview section, it opens it up similar to reading the book. So you could kind of read through the preview section, but it doesn't have some of the features that the ebook has in the highlighting in the text. So if you just want to read through it, you may want to read through the ebook. A feature within LearnSmart is a feature to try to point you to certain areas within the reading. So if you were to select the read icon here, then it'll show you the text and it'll try to highlight particular areas within the text like this, and those areas are going to be the areas that you're going to have questions on. So it's going to try to point you to the areas where the LearnSmart assignment questions will be on. Now I don't suggest reading through the whole thing like this and only reading these highlighted areas because you'll miss a lot of material. But when you're jumping back and forth from the assignment to the text, this is an attempt to take you right to where the answers will be within the LearnSmart. If we go to the practice, then this is where the actual assignment will be. And the idea of the practice is that there's no pressure on the practice, meaning there's 33, there's 35 generally in this one here. We need to complete them until they go down to 0, until we've completed all of the questions. If we don't know something, we can just say, I don't know that, I have no idea. And what will happen is it'll just skip to the next one. It actually gives you the answer, and it'll just skip to the next one, but the question will not go down once we go to the next item, and it'll come back around and we'll have to do it again the next time. So there's really no pressure if we don't know it. It'll give us the answer, and similar to flashcards, it'll just keep coming back around until we pick it up and get it correct. So then we're going to say, oh, okay, and we can go to the next icon and answer this one. If we wanted to read the item, instead of going back to the read section or the preview section, we can jump right to the read there, and that should take us, attempting to take us directly to where we need to go. So it's going to say this is the answer in this area. Again, not perfect, but it will attempt to take you right to where the answer should be. Then if we go back to the practice on this side, we're back to our assignment. So then if we read through this one, which of the statements below represents the accounting equation and owners? I'm going to say it's that one. I'm going to say I know that. I'm going to note down here the 33. If we select this, then it says, okay, that's correct. And we're going to say, okay, and it goes down to 32. So we just need to keep on getting the correct answers until it takes us down to 32. You can then take a look at the recharge here once you're done, the My Reports, and the how to use this item here. And that is the LearnSmart.